Hi everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome to our factory, 东莞实创. Just follow me. I will introduce the carabiner production process in our carabiner manufacturing workshop. First step, we used a bending machine to bend the aluminum rope into shape. Also, our all aluminum rods are all purchased from the big materials factory. Our carabiners is forged using a forging press. Actually, the forging process is completely in two steps. Rod forging and finish forging is two different set of molds. And this is the rod forging. This step follows the same process as before we show you, and then can timely deliver be achieved for our customers. The next step is using our bench press to flash the forged carabiner blank, removing excess material. Follow me to visit our another area. And this step is using a small drill press to drill holes in our carabiners and continuously adding water while drilling. These springs are all made by ourselves. And we use this machine to produce them. You can see the goods on the right way that are passed by all the shipments we needed to ship that day. Then move over to our assembling components. It have spring rod, spring nuts, spring clip, ribbons, then combine to the whole carabiner. You can also see our worker using this machine to packaging our carabiner. And we offer a variety of packaging options for our carabiners to choose from. Sometimes we packing in PP bags to prevent scratches during transportation. We can also customize cardboard hanging cards and eco-friendly packaging to meet our customers' requirements. This step is custom logo printing on our carabiners. It uses laser engraving. We need to perform quality inspection on whether the carabiners can open and close properly. This is the wheel gauge carabiner and also different from other carabiner we showed before, and it assembling our spring wheel clip. This step is riveting our carabiners. And this step is also assembling our parts. Every hour carabiners with a tensile stress of 20 kilonewtons or higher needs to undergo a tensile test to ensure that each carabiner is capable of being used for climbing. welcome our customers to visit our factory.